Now this is our Zorro. He was found with a very broken leg. Now has a pin in it. And we have to get him all working and feeling better. Yay! Before he can be adopted out. It's a little older dog. It loves company. Don't you, Zorro? You love company. We gotta get you moving though. Come move around. Come on, Zorro. Move around your house. Gotta get you working on that foot. Come on. Yes, back and forth. Eat some food. See this shaved hair in that from the surgery. Not really putting too much weight on the foot, but Santa's keeping it down, so we gotta get him exercising a bit, don't we? Looks like he's getting a few bed sores. Good boy, Zorro. I'm going to grab a leash and we're going to move you around, okay? Let's see what I can do here. There we go. Let's just put this on you. Come on, girl. Make sure you move around. I know how much you want to get out. We all want you to get out. Come on. Oh, Carlos is come in. Come and give you some more food. Hey. Yay. Nice. Tricky, Zorro. Tricky. Use that foot, girl. Use that foot, boy. Come on, there you go. Keep moving. We'll put this on.